Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that resonates with many, the fear of public speaking. It's a common challenge that holds us back from reaching our full potential. Let's start by recognizing a simple truth: fear often stems from our desires. Fear of public speaking happens because we don't want to feel embarrassed in front of a crowd, fearing we might say something wrong or foolish. There's also a desire to avoid being dominated or seen as unworthy by others. Strangely, despite these feelings, we desire to keep these vulnerabilities hidden. This desire is the root of the problem, causing the fear that holds us back from expressing ourselves freely. Step 1. Eliminate desires. Eliminate desires to conquer fear. Picture a scenario where insults carry no weight and openly share vulnerabilities without the fear of embarrassment. Before public speaking, embrace potential insults, shedding desires that hold you back. Challenge the power of embarrassment, showcase resilience, and declare readiness for a liberated life. Step 2. Accept the truth. As you step onto the stage, accept fear's physical manifestations: stuttering, a faster heartbeat, trembling legs. Embrace these as natural, rejecting the desire to appear composed. Confidently admit nervousness and fear, stating, "I am a scared individual." This shift towards authenticity inspires others grappling with public speaking fear. Accept yourself, honesty is paramount. Avoid hiding weaknesses and embracing discomfort with the right mindset. Envision a liberated life after overcoming fear. Before your speech, candidly present weaknesses and witness a seamless unfolding. This confrontation marks the beginning of overcoming fear. And there you have it, folks. Conquering the fear of public speaking is all about eliminating desires and embracing the truth. Now, go out there, speak with no fear, and live a liberated life. Until next time, stay fearless.